Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle, niyaphila. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ngabonga kakhulu futhi ngawenza omkhulu umehluko. Danko. Thulani Mabaso is a revelation of a player. But we cannot make the same mistake that we made with Usamgelo Zwane. They are two different kind of players. They possess different qualities. But we cannot let history repeat itself. The difference between youngsters that are playing for Kaizer Chiefs and youngsters that are playing for other clubs, it is only one. We are over-reliant on the youngsters. That's what kills the morale of these youngsters, because at some point there's pressure at Naturena, but we are putting another pressure on top of their shoulders, of which is not good. So this time we should not make the same mistake that we've done with Usamgelo Zwane on Thulani Mabaso. The best way for Thulani to have a great career at Chiefs is to make sure that the senior players do show up for him, especially whoever that is going to be paired with in that middle field. We saw him and Ndlovu complementing each other, because Thulani Mabaso is a kind of a CDM that enjoys going forward, as we saw him taking a shot at goal from range. That's what they encourage Guti as central defensive midfielder. Is it not supposed to be just protecting the back four, but also he must join the attack? But while doing so, we must make sure Guti there's no structure that is broken. He must keep the discipline, but whoever that will be paired with him in that middle field, he must make sure that it doesn't allow him to do the hard work while he's there, because that's what kills these youngsters. Yes, they are supposed to be doing their part of the job also, but make him not to feel like he's suffocating. Show him as a senior player, Guti, yes, I've got your back, but now make sure that whenever you see Guti, no, I'm overworking this player I'm paired with, I must try also Guti Naming keep up. But the best way is to allow these youngsters be, especially Thulani Mabaso, because he's the one that is the new favorite. As a CDM, he will have a tough career Naturena and a difficult role to play, because it requires a lot. You have to be disciplined. You must be able to control the tempo of the game. You must dictate how the team plays. That's what it is expected from a CDM. As young as he is, he understands the fundamentals, but he hasn't yet reached that level of whereby Guti we can be relying on him. He will grow gradually, but is now in the hands of the senior players. Guti, how do they make his job easier instead of suffocating him with a lot of job, with a lot of work? Because we saw Ox is very comfortable with winning the balls, breaking, cutting the attacks of our opponent. But to touch, his game revolves around scanning, his mobility, understanding with okay, here there will be danger, must intercept. He's not that hard tackler. He's not a rough player, but he understands with as a CDM. I must scan, must look my surroundings, anticipate, positional awareness and tactical awareness. If I receive the ball, I progress the ball forward. I play less touches on the ball, meaning a quicker movement going forward. That's what you'll get from Muthachi Mabaso. But now, for him to be a success in the senior team, senior players must play a huge role. With the absence of Ox, simply means Kuti, Kele must show up, must step up when needed, because Mabaso cannot be trusted with that role for the entire 90 minutes. The way they are introducing him, second half, last 15 minutes, that's what you do to a player up until he finds the rhythm, the momentum. That's when you can decide, okay, he's ready, but soon. We should be patient with him, as much as we saw glimpses of how good he will be if he gets nurtured very well. Let's talk about Samkelo Zwane, because I did bring him up when I started the video. We don't want to make the same mistake. But to Samkelo Zwane as a CTM, he won't survive. We saw and we watched many games of him. He's not that typical player that will want to work hard. But if you want to get the best out of him, give him that free role. That's where you will see the best of Samkelo Zwane. We see Vitina play for PSG. They just allow him be good, move around the pitch. Make sure when are always available when we need someone to pass the ball, because you know what will decide our next move. That's how good he plays when he is been given a free role. But if you'll be given this is the role that you are supposed to play, if you are number 8, a box to box, they know what he won't survive. Why? Because of the off the ball movement. That's what lacks in Samkelo Zwane. Playing the ball, he's very good when it comes to that. He can receive, he can pass, he can drive with the ball. But give him the free role. That's where you'll see the best of him. Why? A player, if a coach understands him, that's why at some point people are saying these co-coaches are finding it difficult to understand their players, their strength. If they knew the strength, they would see Samkelo Zwane can be an asset for them only if they partner him with someone that is going to do all the difficult job, the hard work, and leave him to focus on how the team should play, the tempo, him making sure that we progress the ball very quick because he has pinpoint passes, him going into advanced positions because he enjoys taking shots from range. So the coaches must understand that off the ball movement of Samkelo Zwane is very poor. So what can be done in order for them not to make him feel like he is lazy? Because that's the term that they are usually using. Even I'm a fan with his lazy. But we have to understand one thing. Some players, it's difficult for them to do the hard work, but give them the ball on their feet. That's where the magic happens. So give him the ball, you will see. Because obviously, off the ball is poor. And one thing about coaches, they want players that also off the ball, they are very good. But if they are poor, that's why they are finding it difficult to go to Barcelona in the starting 11. That's what will make Samkelo Zwane not to be an option for the co-coaches. Even though he has the talent, he has the technical ability. So what do you do with such kind of players? We saw even with Abo Kosing Pelengco, with off the ball, he's very poor. But they've managed to pick out something with no. Let's give him that role of a number 8 because he's good when it comes to controlling the tempo. He's calm on the ball. He doesn't rush my decisions. He understands with when the tempo is like this, this is how you have to play. So give the same role to Samkelo Zwane. So now the competition will be amongst who is fit for that particular game day. But for him to be ruled out, I don't think it is something that we can say now the career of him is over at Naturen. Not unless Magabuya, he doesn't show any signs of improvement. That's where izomkhahlela khona. But give him a free role. You will see the best of Samkelo Zwane. We saw when Jose Rivera was his coach, Gukaling All Stars, he managed to score because he wasn't playing too much of into angayazi. But uNdlondlo was and uKekana uRhumulunga allowed him to no, play this kind of a football. That's where you'll see and get the best out of him. But with the current crop of players that we have, the competition is tight. So if someone doesn't pull up his socks, or if someone doesn't show any sign of improvement, or if someone doesn't work hard, that's what will make him not to feature for Kaizer Chiefs. He might have all the talent, all the technical ability in the world, but in the modern football, the players that get rewarded are the ones that are working hard, not the ones that have talent. It's only when you mix talent and hard work you become successful. Please, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Sobonana ngevideo elandelayo. Ikhosi alipheli moya. Danko.